G'day guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
And today on the show we're going to do
Squiggle and Sketch.
We're going to do a squiggle and sketch. So what is a squiggle and sketch? Basically, Phoenix is going to draw a bunch of squiggles and shapes on a page, and I'm going to try and figure out how to make a picture out of it. Okay, let's get to it.
How are you going to figure this out? Well, you do have a dog face.
Maybe it's not a dog face. So I'm going to start with that. So what do you think I've got going on here?
You always draw this.
I don't know which one this.
Frankenstein? Lifting weights?
Maybe.
And it's still raining.
Still raining here. Yep.
Ooh. What is that?
What do you think it is?
Is that a UFO?
Maybe it's very hard for me. Okay.
Is that a tank?
This guy needs a nose, doesn't he? So he's kind of like a half robot, half tank of some sort. Maybe Kirby has thrown out these blocks with a ball. Hey, no, you got, this is my turn, man. And then over here.
That you need to connect.
Some sort of
This might take a while, folks. An eternity later.
Sure, what is going on here?
What that's some sort of fish.
Some sort of fish.
Is it a fish?
A fish?
Pigfish.
Oh.
Is that a pig?
Some sort of serpent of some sort.
Looking for my bone. But what's this?
Good question. So I reckon he's like a robot of some sort, and this is his little database of information. So target. Yes. So
we've got this one, this one, and this one.
And we've got something here. Maybe these are little
faces?
Little faces that are
going towards him.
That have been shot out of a
Canon.
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 Canon. What cannon?
Boom.
Boom.
Maybe put it like a boom on it.
Go. Oh, that's a funny looking M. Gosh. Can you fix the M? No, we can't. Oh.
Boom.
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 Boom, boom, boom.
Shakes it up a bit.
So these guys have been spat out of this cannon. They're chasing this guy here. He's like a Terminator or a robot of some sort. He's like, I'm looking for my bone.
What about this?
And that is...
Phone?
No. Is popcorn.
Where's his bone?
I don't know. He's trying to look for it. So somewhere along the line, this guy went on a rampage looking for his bone for his dog. And then a serpent came chasing him, and some guy in a cannon shot out these emojis. And then Kirby's like, hey, I need to protect my boxes with crosses on them. So he pushed out a blade, this guy. What do you think? Should we sign it? Boom. Well, that was fun. It's kind of different, wasn't it? So what do we got? I don't know why the popcorn's there. No idea. Maybe it just rocked up.
Target popcorn.
Target popcorn. Okay, well, what did you think of that, guys at home? Was that fun? Or was that crazy? Anyway, that's something you can do at home with your parents, your friends, your siblings, you know. Get a piece of paper, just do some squiggles on it and say, here, draw me something. And see what sort of fun activity you can get out of it. I didn't think I'd be drawing a part human machine man who's got tracks and has a rocket and has been chased by a serpent, and then a cannon's blowing emojis at him, and then he says, I'm looking for my bone. And then Kirby's trying to protect his boxes with crosses on them, and there's just random popcorn. You just don't know what you could do. That's a cool story. You could take this and create a story out of it. Like, you could write a book. That's how stories start, isn't it?
Or you could just do it, like if you're watching this video, you could do this and then you could color it in.
Well, you could. You could take a screenshot of this, print it on your printer, and
or you could draw it.
You could draw it. You know what we're going to do? We're going to have this in the description so you can download it and color it in. And you know what? You can tag us on Art Raving Dad on Instagram, or you can email us as well at artravingdad@gmail.com. What do you think? Yeah, cool. All right, guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
And today you just watched a Squiggle and Sketch. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Bye.
Popcorn.
Do you reckon this is going to be a tricky one or a hard one?
Well, since last time we did that conveyor belt.
We did a conveyor belt last time, that's right. So the deal with the squiggles and sketches is it doesn't matter which way the paper is really. I can turn it around, change
But it has to be this way.
Oh, it has to be this way, is it? When did that rule become
Well,
a
we
rule?
said when in our last one.
We had fun making art.